So hello students, today we are going to start with the theory of population, that is the demographic transition theory. So in this theory, the birth rate and the death rate and the population structure is being discussed. So let's see the points. Now this theory throws a light on the changes in birth rate and death rate and consequently on the changes of the growth of the population. Now this theory was given by Warren Thompson and it was interpreted in 1929. And this theory has three stages. Now first stage, second stage and third stage. So we will discuss the first stage first. Now first stage is the stage there is low population growth, that means high birth rate and high death rate. Now difference between the two population rate is low, so and there was minor economic development. Now in the second stage is a transitional stage of movement from backward to advanced stage. Now it was a middle stage between the backward and the advanced stage. Now it had very high growth rate of population. Population explosion began because of death rates decreased due to quickly through advanced methods of disease control, public health and better nutrition. So there was a betterment in the health status of the people, as because the technology has been invented and there was a development of industrialization, urbanization. So this was the second stage, was the transitional stage where the people got to improve themselves. Now on the third stage, growth rate was low because both birth and death rate had reduced and the difference between them is small. It was a highly advanced society. Now the growth rate and the death rate became reduced, and so it was a highly advanced society. So and the technology development was very much improved. So in India, the demographic transition is yet not complete as the mortality rate has been reduced, but the birth rate has not brought down to the same extent. So in India, the demographic transition cycle has not been completed because the death rate has reduced, but the birth rate is increasing and there is a huge population in our country. So these were the three stages of the demographic theory of population transition. So I hope you have understood this theory. Thank you.